Morning students, today we'll be doing exercise 4.1. Question number 2, divide the following and check your answer. 4335 divided by 9. हमें 4335 को 9 से divide करना है. Let's continue with the solution of this question. As we are dividing 4335 by 9, this 9 is known as divisor. It will be the divisor from which we will divide. और जो नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं that is called dividend. उसे dividend कहते हैं. Let's start with the division now. We'll take 4, but it is not possible to divide 4 by 9, so we'll take one more number. Now we are having 43 with us. Let's count the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36 and 9 fives are 45. यहाँ पर 45 is greater than 43, so we will take 9 fours are 36. We will subtract 36 from 43. Let's start with ones place. At ones place we are having 3. It's not possible to subtract 6 from 3. So we will borrow 1 from tens place. Now we are having 13 over here. 13 minus 6 is equals to 7. We are left with 3 over here. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we will copy 3. Let's read the table of 9 again. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. We'll subtract 72 from 73. Let's start with ones place. 3, 2. We'll get 1. 7 minus 7, 0. Now we will copy 5. We are having 15 over here. Let's read the table of 9 again. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 18 is greater than 15, so we will take 9 ones are 9. Now we will subtract 9 from 15. Now we will subtract 9 from 5. It's not possible, so we'll borrow 1 from the tens place. Now we are having 15. 15 minus 9 we'll get 6. So ये जो 6 है, this is what? Remainder. Remainder. What is remainder? The part of the dividend which is left is called remainder. ये हमारे dividend का part है जो रह गया है divide होने से. That is known as remainder. तो हम इसे remainder कहेंगे. Our division is completed. Now let's do checking. अब हमें checking करना है कि whether the division which we have done is correct or not. So for doing checking, we are having a formula. Let's apply that formula. हम उस formula को apply करते हैं और check करते हैं कि हमारा आंसर ठीक है या नहीं. For checking, we have to see कि when we apply this formula कि quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder, इन सब का solution करने के बाद जो हमारा आंसर आएगा it will be equal to our dividend. जो हमारा ये dividend है इसके बराबर आएगा. तो let's see whether answer is coming dividend or not. Our quotient is 481. हमारा quotient कितना है? 481. Multiply by divisor. Our divisor is 9 as I told you. Plus remainder, and the remainder is 6. So we have to apply this rule कि पहले हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, देन we'll do addition. Firstly, we'll do the multiplication of 481 and 9. Let's do the multiplication of 481 and 9 in rough work. Let's draw a rough line. Rough work करेंगे हम इसमें. We are having 481. We'll multiply it by 9. Let's arrange the digit in columns. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. We'll write 1 and carry 7 over here. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 7 is equals to 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. We are having 43. जब 481 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो we'll get 4329 प्लस 6. इसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? 6 ऐड करेंगे. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. We'll write 3 as it is and as well as 4 also. Now we are having 4335. 4335. I think this 4335 हमने कहीं और भी देखा. Yes, this is what our dividend was. यही हमारा dividend भी था. It means we have done correct division. So 4335 is equals to our dividend. Our checking is completed and we have done correct division. Solve this in your notebook.